What is happening, everyone? This is Phil with Think Make Do, and today is Sunday evening and I'm coming to check in on how our drywall has been going. We had a crew come in today, a two-man team, to do about 8 hours of drywall today and a little bit yesterday. So I'm gonna open up and see what it looks like. Check it out. Wow, okay, looks like, where's some lights here? Looks like our bedrooms are pretty much all set. Bang, okay. Okay, well I can't really turn the lights on, but let's see how they did. Alright, not bad. Some cracking issues, but shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so this room is completely done. Look at that. Not a bad sized room after all is said and done. Got a light switch off. Okay, not bad.
Most times no sweat. Me to you, get what we do and never forget. Now's the time, fall out of line and take your first step. Feet, pop, funk. I smell hip hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye. 2 turntables, spin a record so fly. Fly like an eagle or soar like a pigeon. Lay it on thick, I'll give you just a smidgen. A little dabble do you, all you have to do is listen. Music be the movement, everybody on a mission.
What's happening, everyone? This is day 2 of our drywall. So let's take a look and see how much we've gotten done. Did they paint this door? No. All right. So it looks like we have drywall in almost all of the living room. The area next to the furnace here doesn't look like it's done yet. Our hallways look to be done. Let's check out this bedroom. It's a little dark. But the bedroom is done. Looks pretty good. Nice, they've got our fuse panel cut out. This is the larger, the main bedroom here. Header looks nice and cleaned up. And what we have remaining looks like, alright, the bathroom we need to finish up. I've got some insulation that needs to go in this section here. I've got some insulation that needs to go up in these walls here. And then I have some of our plumbing to finish on this side so that this side can be drywalled off. We can get the tub in, finish up the studs on here. Overall, looks like we're shaping up pretty good. Drywall, and I'm just coming to the house tonight to check up on progress and see where we're at. So let's turn you around and have a look. Okay, well, it smells. Got some daylight so we can see everything pretty clearly. Wow. Alright, so living room is done. Looks like the corner beads have already been placed with a layer of mud. Looking here right now at the kitchen with our tub just kind of hanging out. Wow, that looks pretty big. Looks nice. Alright. Oh wow, they even, see, our attic has been very nicely tiled or mudded with corner bead, and so we can put a top little cap over it and that'll look pretty nice. This is the main bedroom. That looks pretty good. So yeah, they left our stilts behind. Corner beads on just about every corner surface. That's really nice. Cool. Double vanities. It looks like we still have to mud this room in particular. Oh nice, they have our first bathroom vent done. Gets a little bit darker here, but you can see the bathroom vent for the shower. The ceiling is in. Okay, looks pretty good. And we have our shower drains. There we go, that might help. So, what I have to do tonight to help prepare is for our tub, I have to make the cutouts for our shower valve, drain, and then get this installed here, screw it all down, and then install at least the first section of our tub drain here. Make sure I get the green board installed here so that they can mud the rest of this room tomorrow, and what is tomorrow? Thursday and Friday. Look at that. All right, the pantry is coming along pretty well. That's the pantry light that's got a lot of mud in there. But yeah, that looks pretty good too. So there won't be any drywall over this surface. The door is going to go here, and then we are going to just have wood trim going all the way up to this edge, and that'll kind of make it look pretty good. And the light, oh, there it is, and we have the wiring there as well. That's good. What in the shit? Did they seriously do that? Okay, that's dumb. We had a hanging wire. It's supposed to go inside there, but for some reason they just decided to drywall over it or mud over it because that's stupid. Okay. Anyway, that's day 3. There's a couple issues that we'll have to address and make sure that the contractors we hired take care of those problems. First and foremost, this right here, they just drywalled over the wire instead of sticking the wire inside the gang box. I guess that might be our fault. They had accidentally put corner bead strips all around the window frame, and we actually don't want that. We're going to use actual wood for the window frame on the inside and then wood framing around the outside, so they have to take all that down. But I think those might be the 2 main issues. See, they shouldn't have done this. This needs to be removed. So I don't know why they just continued on. Anyway, I'll have to stop. What's happening, everyone? This is Phil, and it's day 4 of our drywall, mud and sanding. So we're going to check out the upstairs unit, see how far we've come. Ugh. They have one more layer of sanding left to do. Yeah, a little dinette.
Fairly large kitchen. Whoa, I guess we'll leave cabinet.
Yeah, well,
This is a pantry?
yeah. So refrigerator, 15-inch cabinet, stove, 15-inch cabinet. Those are the ones that we bought just now. And then on this side, it's the sink, the dishwasher, and a 30-inch cabinet. Or maybe not even. Well, you know, there will be one more cabinet on this side. So, yeah. And green board is up. Corner beads are up. Oh yeah, right on top. Okay, looks like they started to mud the ceiling up here. Looks pretty good.